Welcome to the second short video tutorial on research skills for success. This one is on managing your citations. In this video, you will learn how to grab or export citations from the library's website, to import selected citations into the Citation Manager EndNote, and to use Cite While You Write function in Microsoft Word. Using the demo research question, what are the effects of COVID-19 on tourism? We conducted a search on the library's website in a previous tutorial, and here are some of the results. Let's say you're working on your assignment and want to cite the first article. You can do it quickly by clicking on the quotation mark here to open up a dialog box. Then you can select the citation style that you want and copy the citation into your assignment. A more efficient way to organize your citations is to use a citation manager, where you can keep track of all the citations relevant to an ongoing project like your thesis. At Queen's, we have institutional license to use the Citation Manager EndNote. Regardless of what databases you search, there's a common workflow to cite using a citation manager. First, you would export the selected citations from the database, in this case, the library's website, and generate a citation file, usually in the RIS format. Then, you would import the selected citations into EndNote. Once the citations are in EndNote, you can then connect EndNote to quote-unquote cite while you write using Microsoft Word. On the library search result page, you can select the relevant citations by ticking the individual check marks next to the citations you want. The ellipses at the top of the page will then become active. Clicking on the ellipses will open a dialog box where you will select Export RIS. You don't need to worry about encoding and simply click Download. An RIS file containing your selected citations will then be downloaded into your download folder on your computer. Assuming you have EndNote installed, your selected citation will then be automatically imported into your EndNote when you double-click the RIS file. So far, we have exported the selected citation from the library's website and imported them into EndNote. Now we are ready to cite while you write in Microsoft Word. It's worth noting that when you install EndNote, a plugin is added to your Microsoft Word. In order to use the Cite While You Write function, you can simply write in words as usual. When you're ready to cite, just leave the cursor right where you would like to insert the citation. Click on the Insert Citation button to open up a dialog box. This is essentially a window connecting your Microsoft Word to your EndNote. Find the citation, usually by the author's last name. Select the citation that you want and click Insert. A citation will then be added to your document. You can keep working on your assignment or paper and adding more citations. At any point, you can change the citation style of your entire document by simply changing the style here. With one click of a button, we switch from APA to Vancouver citation style. It's very important to note that because your document now is connected to your EndNote, do not directly edit the bibliography in case of any incorrect information such as author name errors or missing journal titles. You need to edit the source records in EndNote via the Edit Library References button. In the cases where you want to add a direct quote page number or removing a citation entirely, use the Edit and Manage Citations button. There's a lot more you can do with EndNote beyond just cite while you write, like finding the full text PDFs or sharing your citations library to collaborate with someone on a project. But these are beyond the scope of this tutorial. You might be asking, where do I get EndNote? Log into your My Queen's U. You can download it from the Software Center under Research Applications. On the library's website, we have developed a guide on EndNote, where you can download a quick EndNote reference sheet that outline the step-by-step procedures of these tasks, including attaching full text PDFs to your citations and annotating those PDFs. Lastly, there's an Ask Us button right on the library's homepage where you can contact us for research assistance via different channels. Thank you very much for your attention and good luck on your research.